So, hello all, welcome to my channel. So, today I am going to read the comments of the PewDiePie channel. The video is reacting to my wife's favorite clips. So, let's start the video. So, here is a comment. When I was 14, writing a female to you, I never sent. I never thought I would be 24 watching. You laugh at your wife's favorite animal clip. Okay. So, thanks Margia, very cool. Pures, look directly at four capybaras. Ah yes, the Jombalayas. Margia, I want Bat Felix. We have bat at home. Bat at home. Eat good. Felix laughs. Also Felix. That doesn't count because the sky is blue. Not gonna lie, around the 2 minute mark the bug scared the hell out of me. I feel like Felix is one of those people that act like they are sickness, but when they see animals or huff puffs. I love how the frame colors are different. Pete's red, Jack green, Edgar black, Ken brown. Okay. So Edgar's backing summoned my dog to my room. We ended up watching it together. Oh my god, I still remember Pete showing Edgar in a video for the first time, and now Edgar has so many white hairs. He's so cute. Edgar has left the chat. Okay. I really liked when he said special Marzia edition and the pink flower edit with Marzia pic. Steve needs a rise for making the Dagger webcam when they both reacted. That was amazing. Okay. I was expecting the Cicada to burst all of sudden, but when it actually did, I jumped out of my freaking chair. Edgar looks like he just had the most what the fuck moments in his life. Edgar seeing himself gave him a moment of lucidity before falling into his dog demonia. My wife still brings so much warmth to my earth. Hurts my heart to see Edgar and Maya so old, grey up with Felix, Margie and the her pups love all. I love how the grey Guinea pig turned around like, did you guys see that? Capybara exists, Felix, it's Jumblast. Drinking game, take a shot whenever he says it doesn't count. Okay. All these years and I didn't know that pug video was Maya. She's recently a wine star. Okay. I thought Mazia would comment. I was today year old when I found out that the pug filing memes was Maya. What the fuck? I hope we get a completion of all of the ways Pute says Sapibra. Truly an epic fail. Didn't even ask save for his life back. I can't believe Edgar was not asleep when Pierce picked her up. A mom's POP when a child is taking. Literally returns after one day. His white eyelashes. I love how he gave Edgar his own face, ma'am. All. For the second one, the kid didn't even scream. How he is so brave. This is the type of video I don't want to end. Everyone is on about Edgar's PTSD flashbacks. However, we haven't seen him this awake in a long time. Stay positive. Edgar looking at Putes when he flinched is somehow cute to me. IDK. Edgar being like, I remember this. Oh, Boj. I am surprised that he did not get Rick rolled. Puse, I never laughs. Also Pute in the first clip. Everyone is so surprised at Tiger family reacting to something is slowly becoming marbles. And Pete was like the dad that embarrassed their kid with what they did in the past in front of everyone. Putes be like, you laugh, you blows, but if I laugh, it doesn't count. I thought he was gonna say, and I never ever laugh at my wife's jokes. There is no denying that Edgar's reaction was the most wholesome of all. Can't believe that soon Edgar will leave us, but his legacy will never die. The deep you laugh, you lost gives me so much. You can tell you are getting older when even Edgar has grey hair starting to form. Edgar gets mad when Pute forces him to watch himself look dumb, gets angry and walk out. Dogs equals to human. My wife, yes, yes, I love it. Mams, watch the comfy camping animals go. Felicidays has Encanto and comments so. I love it how every time Pete's make try not to laugh videos, he just kinda forget he's making try not to laugh and laugh at every single clip. Maggie has to make a try not to laugh compilation. Pete's to Maya. Oh God bless Bugs. Pete to Edgar. Look how pathetic you were. Video begins alright, this is good. Edgar activities how now we are talking. Felix keeps calling capybaras with random names and I love it. This time is Jamales which kinda makes sense. I like how Edgar legit watches the videos with words. Edgar after saying that clip of his transformating past. Pete's forcing Edgar to watch embarrassing clips of his from the past is hilarious. Edgar now turned into Shinobi with that nice grey beard. Okay, he was saying Marja is his girlfriend and now his wife. I know this is obviously, but it is so hot warning. Brush the ending a rap be slapping. I am starting to think Marja didn't the reverse face reveal and it is just ended it. Marja literally sitting outside the door, listening to see what he laughs at. The face Edgar makes at 10:45. A video I've been blessed. Maya falling from the bed was the best clip I've seen in a long time. God, I am so glad Edgar is still around. What a beautiful puppy. I literally jumped because of that Sisada clip. Okay. Dropped my pizza at the Sisanda clip. Now my arm, wall and hair is covered. So this is the video. Don't forget to subscribe and please like the video and do subscribe. Thank you for watching.